TRT, or testosterone replacement therapy, means a medically supervised program to bring back your testosterone levels from low to a good, healthy range, so you can get your energy, libido, and focus back. Testosterone production actually starts in the brain. The brain makes a signal called LH. LH travels through the bloodstream, goes to receptors in the testicles. Testicles respond to that signal by producing testosterone. As guys age, levels start to decline between 1% and 2% a year. And a lot of guys just attribute this to getting older. It doesn't have to be that way. If guys have real symptoms that are connected to their declining T levels, there is a medical treatment for it. That's what TRT is. Testosterone replacement therapy for the right patient happens to be a generally extremely safe treatment. Now, there are always possible side effects. You need to be with a team that understands what the side effects are, understand who's a good candidate for treatment, and knows how to prevent problems. Is TRT steroids? Steroid is a general term in chemistry, and testosterone is considered a steroid. But when people use the word steroids, they're not referring to a medically supervised program of testosterone replacement for a hormone imbalance. What they're referring to is the illicit use of testosterone or other substances that are similar to testosterone, including sometimes human growth hormone. Typically, these are not done under specialist supervision. They are not done even for guys who have low T to begin with, and that's the key difference. In one case, you are treating a hormone deficiency. In the other case, you are just trying to improve muscle or body composition. I'm going to talk about the different ways to take TRT. You have injections and you have a topical cream. Injections are considered the gold standard because they've been around the longest, and they're usually the most effective and most reliable. The needles are very small. You don't need big needles. Typically, we recommend that men inject twice a week. So you just want the injections to be approximately 3 or 4 days apart. What's the right time of day to inject? It doesn't matter. Any time of day that works for you. Turn it upside down, you draw back to your specific dose. There are lines marking it, and each guy will have a specific prescribed dose that's right for him. You pull this straight out. I recommend the guys hold it like a pen or pencil. That's how I'm holding it, like a pen or pencil, because it gives you best control. You go about horizontally from your belly button and vertically down from the nipple on that side. Pinch a roll of belly tissue. Use this part of your hand, rest it against your own body for stability. This is what surgeons do during surgery. You come in at an angle, about a 45-degree angle. You're just going into the fat layer here. You push it in until you can't push anymore. Rotate your index finger onto the plunger, and you push in slowly, gently, until you can't push anymore. Then you pull straight out, and you drop it in a needle container, a hard plastic container. Alternate. 1 day a week on the right side, 1 day a week on the left side. The topical cream involves the same exact medication, even though it looks totally different. In one of them, the injections, it's a light-colored liquid, and in the other one, it's a cream that looks and feels like moisturizer lotion, but it's the same active ingredient. In the case of the cream, we use Unidose bottles. These have a click mechanism. Every click delivers a metered dose. It's exactly the same every time. There's small holes at the top. You swipe it off with a finger. We recommend doing this once a day. Most guys do it in the morning, and then you can apply it to your shoulders. It looks and feels just like moisturizer lotion. It has no smell, no residue. It's not oily. It's already dry within 5 or 10 seconds. You go about your day. There's a few reasons guys may choose one or the other. Here are the differences. With injections, obviously there's needles, and if that was the only factor, you probably would choose cream. The reality is the needles are not a big deal. They're very small. They're almost painless, but some guys just don't like needles, and that's understandable, so they want to use the cream. How often are you interacting with or dealing with the medication? With the injections, it's twice a week. With the cream, it's every morning. While some guys prefer to have daily application to mirror what the body does naturally, other guys say, I don't care about that concept, I just rather have good levels all the time. Cream can work great. A lot of guys love the cream, they swear by the cream. It's not as likely to be effective as the injections. If you start on the cream and it's not right for you for whatever reason, you can always switch to injections. And that's also true if you start on the injections, you decide you're bothered by it, you can switch to the cream. You should take all these things in consideration. You should talk to a team of specialists like we have at Fountain, where we can talk through these nuances with you, but there is no one right or wrong answer, and that's the point. The one important rule is don't guess. TRT may sound scary. Some aspects of it may feel scary. We at Fountain are here to guide you through this process. We have a goal, which is to make you feel better and improve your symptoms, and we walk you through all these steps because we want it to work with your lifestyle and match your goals. At Fountain, it's $35 to get started with an assessment, and that includes labs and a visit with one of our providers who will review your labs with you, talk about the treatment options, and talk about the specific things you're interested in, and make a recommendation for treatment if you qualify.